Hi children, how are you? I hope you guys are having a great time and having fun. Children, we always play with our siblings and friends, right? We spend time with them. But remember one thing, that we should never be disturbing anyone. Do not misbehave with them. Because of what you would do to others, the same can happen with you too. And to explain this, I have brought a fun story for you today. So listen to it carefully. It is a matter of many years ago that a camel and a fox lived in a big forest. There was also a melon field near that forest. But there used to be a river also between the field and the forest. One day, the camel and fox decided that they both would cross the river and go eat melons. And they started walking towards the melon field. Now there was this river, and as soon as they both reached near it, the fox said, "Brother camel, you make me sit on your back so that I can also do it on the river." Hearing the fox, the camel said, Yes, fox, sister, come, no problem, you sit on my back. I will take you across the river." The fox sat on the camel's back, and within a short time, both of them crossed the river and reached the melon field. As soon as both of them reached the field, they got to eat big sweet melons. Both of them ate melons with great pleasure, and as soon as the fox's stomach was full, she started singing loudly. And seeing this, the camel forbade her and said that she should not do this. Otherwise, the owner of the farm will come thereafter, hearing her voice, and theft of both will be caught. But the fox did not listen to the camel and said, "What should I do, camel brother? I do sing a song after having a meal." The fox did not listen and kept on screaming and singing. On hearing the voice of the fox, the owner of the farm came there. The fox was clever, and seeing the owner of the field, immediately ran away and hid nearby bushes. The poor camel was tall and he could not hide anywhere and was caught. The owner of the farm beat the camel fiercely and threw it out of the field. The poor camel hanged his head and walked back towards the river. In the meantime, the fox came out of the bushes and spoke to the camel, "Camel brother, carry me on your back. The river is very deep." The camel did not say anything to the fox at that time. Gestured to sit by shaking his neck. The fox sat on the camel's back. The camel started crossing the river. The camel wanted to teach a lesson to the fox. As soon as he reached the middle of the river, he started drowning deliberately. The fox panicked and thought that she would fall in the river and drown. She said to the camel in fear, "Camel brother, don't do this. Otherwise, I will drown in water." Camel said, "Fox sister, it always happens to me after having food. And until I take a dip in the water, my food is not digested. What should I do? I am used to it." Saying this, camel took another dip. The fox got scared badly and she kept saying that don't do this. But the camel had decided that he would continue to teach the fox a lesson. Taking a dip in the water, the fox slipped off the camel's back and fell into the deep river. The fox was drowning in the river, but now she has realized that she made a big mistake. She should have listened to the camel, but now it was too late. The vixen got punished for what she did. She drowned in the water and died. So children, did you like the story? What did you learn from this? It teaches us that we should listen to our peers and friends. They should not be harmed. Don't even bother others for your fun. Everyone should be treated equally and well. Because as we do, so people will meet us. We will be treated the same way. And that is, feel it as you do. Understood? So kids, now I'll go and I'll see you the next time with a new fun story. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.